Okay, ladies, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna play with it for a minute. And then I'm either going to give it away or I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. To be continued. Okay, guys, this is my lift gauge. I've had it for over a year and I dropped it. So I think it's not totally accurate. So I got a brand new one. Just took it out of the box. I want to be fair to this Bissell, okay? I got a brand new lift gauge. These aren't cheap. And we gotta see what the lift is on this puppy. What the fuck? Come on, guys. Okay? You tell me, guys. You need 85 inches if you're gonna clean carpet. Okay, we got the light duty 3-gallon causeway. Light duty. Okay? We gotta see if it can pick up this floor mat. Okay. So the Bissell's gonna do the same thing, right, guys? Or something similar. Let's see.